May bago na naman si Infinix Zero. Tara, patingin. Uy! Halos kamukha lang ng box ng Infinix Zero 30 5G ah. Ito ang kanyang 4G na kapatid. And guys, good news no, itong phone na ito is priced below 10,000 pesos. Para sa inyo ng mga gustong magkaroon ng halos kamukha ng Zero 30 5G, that is not very heavy sa inyong pocket. And I'm pretty sure na pwede nyo indulge yourself during this Christmas season, buy yourself a Zero 30 4G, and I'll give you some teaser kung ano pwede nyo ma-expect dito sa phone na ito if you keep watching. Stay with me. So guys, nakita na full unboxing natin, and this is the design ng Zero 30 4G. And it looks exactly the same naman kay 5G. So wala akong nakitang indicator no kung paano mo malalaman between 4G and 5G na variant. Wala nakasulat dito all over the phone. And what's nice is that this one is priced below 10,000 pesos. Hindi naman nila pagkakamalan na 4G ang hawak mo, no? It's the same form factor sa kanyang 5G na kapatid. So basically, you're paying less for this phone kahit kamukha niya si 5G. So one of the highlights dito sa phone na ito is has a 50MP na main camera sensor, which can shoot up to 2K and 30 FPS, which for me is pretty good for a phone at this price point. And showing you some quick teaser na photo, I would say na ang ganda ng kanyang rear camera, no? Taking some of these shots are really clear and crisp. I could hardly differentiate it from the 5G variant na almost close ang kanyang performance, but of course, the 5G would definitely be more superior. And another thing na gusto ko rin dito sa kanya, meron siyang 120Hz na 3D curved AMOLED display dito. It really feels so premium dito sa aking kamay. I really am a fan ng mga curved screen, no? Lalo na kung manipis ang yung phone and it has a curved screen. Panalong-panalo. Mas lalo na it's below 10K. And itong phone na ito has quite a performer na chip, which is the MediaTek Helio G99. I'm pretty sure this one can give you a good gaming experience without compromising din. So hindi lang siya pang camera, pwede rin siya pang gaming. So on top ng kanyang 8GB na physical RAM, pwede mo pa siya extend ng plus another 8 na virtual RAM. So giving you a little bit boost pagdating sa gaming. Overall, itong phone na ito feels premium on my hand and I'm really happy with it. And guys, mabulungin ko lang sa inyo, itong coming December 4, merong live selling sa TikTok store ng Infinix, no? Wherein they'll be giving exclusive discount, probably early bird rate, para dito sa Zero 30 4G. Plus, merong ultra smartwatch na ipamimigay din for the first 50 buyers. Sobrang ganda ng kanyang promotion, no? So guys, don't forget to check out sa kanyang TikTok store, which I'll be linking on the description box below. So guys, syempre hanggang dyan lang muna ang ating teaser. I'll be showing you more sa aking full review nito Infinix Zero 30 4G on the next coming days. Of course, a subscription to this channel will notify you once na in-upload natin ang full review nito phone na ito. Kaabang-abang nga ba? Of course. I'll see you in the next one. And so, ako para si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.